Well, as any of you who follow me know, this is another one of my new cut and sew projects. This is a fat quarter, and it's going to be called Kayla and Her Burl. Of course, you cut these out on the black lines, and then you have a little bit of room for another line for your seams. You cut it out, leave one side open, stuff it, and it's a soft toy. So this one comes with a little burl front and back, and the little girl front and back, and then a little saddle pad that will have two sides. Another thing that's new is going to be this 3-piece fabric bracelets, and each one will have a little design. This one has little owls, this one has cat and the honeybees, and this again is a cut and sew, and instructions will be on there. There's some of my past ones that are already on for sale, and this is Salzano's on Spoonflower.